Okay, so as you can see, we are doing a full get ready with me. We are doing hair, we are doing makeup, and we are showing an outfit on camera today. So this is why your girl is looking straight up crazy right now. You guys are going to see the full transformation of me getting ready. So we're going to go ahead and get right into this. So go ahead, give this video a huge thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so you can join the family and turn on post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video. And let's go ahead and get into this transformation because, honey, I'm tired of looking crazy right now. So let's go ahead and get right into it.
I just been balling out every season. No excuses, I left in the bleachers. I just been married to double cup. I gotta pull me a four inside.
Okay, so we're gonna be starting out with the hair first. Normally I flip and flop hair and makeup, but today I'm gonna be doing hair first just because I'm gonna be applying a unit on camera. So the unit I am gonna be applying is from Tinashe Hair, and this is their straight 13x6 lace front wig. This is in 250 density, and it is 22 inches long, baby, because long hair don't care. So yeah, this is the wig, and the hair is so soft, you guys. I really love this. I cannot wait to press this out and get her all looking good and stuff. I do have this in a middle part, and I just think this is some really nice hair. So I will have all the information for Tinashe Hair down below in the description box, so definitely make sure you go ahead and check that out. And let's go ahead and get this baby on our head. This is what she looks like right now. So this has been washed, and she needs to get re-straightened. She needs to get hot combed and stuff so she will look laid. We're going to have her looking laid, honey. We're gonna have her looking slayed. So I'm just gonna brush her out, and like I said, this hair is really soft, like so soft to the touch. Like I can tell this is really great quality. Okay, so I went ahead and hooked up my flat iron, and I went ahead and parted my hair. So we're gonna start with the bottom of the wig. So I'm gonna show you guys a few clips of me straightening my hair, and then I'm just gonna speed the rest of it up just to save us some time, and because I know you guys know how to flat iron some hair, so we're just gonna go ahead and get through that part really quickly. Flat iron is the Chi Air, and I got this from like Walmart, but it's a really good flat iron, and it gets the hair really straight. So I really love using this, and this flat iron gets really hot. Okay, so I straightened out the hair, and now the hair is straight. As you can see, the hair is really nicely straight. As I said, it's very shiny, very soft. Love this hair so much. Get you a hot comb. So I have been letting this sit for a while so it can heat up. You want to part your hair, and then you want to go in with your hot comb, and you just want to straighten out and get deep. You want to get right by the track of the wig and just straighten that part out. See, that is just getting the side very flat, and straighten that baby out in there, and straighten it all the way out. Okay, so I went ahead and flattened out the other side with the hot comb. So my next thing I'm gonna do is take some of my foam, and I'm going to lay this around where there's any flyaways, just so we don't have that on the wig and everything is smooth around there, because I do have a bunch of flyaways at the top of the wig. So I'm going to take some of my foam, and I'm going to take just a little bit, and I'm just going to put that so everything will lay nice and flat. and it will get rid of all of those flat waves. Okay, so I realized my camera was not recording when I did my brows, so I'm just gonna tell you guys the products that I use in my brows. I'm so sorry about that. Girl, the camera gotta get it together. I use some of the Arches and Halo products for my brows. So the first product I used was the Micro Defining Brow Pencil, which I use this on the front hairs of my brows so I can get them to look brow-like, because this one is a very micro and skinny pencil, so it's good for the definition of my brow. And then the other product I used was the Angled Brow Shading Pencil, which I use this on the arch and the tail of the brow, and this is really good because it does have that angular tip, so it can go ahead and clean that part up and make it look sharp. So yeah, those are the two products I use on my brows. So I'm gonna take my Jackie Aina palette, which I love, and I'm gonna do an all matte look with this palette. I've recently been loving to do some matte looks, so I'm gonna do a very warm orangey brown matte look with a smoked out bottom lash line. So the first shade I'm gonna go into is this shade right here, which is Ginger, a really nice light terracotta shade, and I'm gonna just apply that all over the eye. And I'm gonna take that on a JH30 brush. Take this shade and just blend it all over in the crease, on the lid, just smoke it out everywhere. I am just so proud of Jackie and this palette. This palette is so bomb. I use it all the time, and it is just so pigmented and so blendable, and I love the shades that are in here. So now I'm gonna go in with the shade Edges, which is more of a burnt orange, and I'm just gonna apply that into the crease. And I'm gonna take that on a JH36 brush. And you just wanna work this shade up into the crease. It is such a pretty color. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with the shade Credit, which is this brown shade, and I'm just gonna add that on the outer V. And I'm gonna take that on a JH37 brush. And you just wanna pack that right on the outer V and blend it up into the crease. And I just think this is such an easy way to get such a pretty look. So simple, but still looks so glam and gorgeous. And I'm gonna go ahead and line my lashes with some lash glue. Oh, and the lashes I'm using are the Lilly lashes in Miami. So now I'm gonna take the Bomb Swing liner, which is my all-time favorite, and I'm gonna be doing my wing liner. This is such a good liner. It is so black, so pigmented, and it just goes on so good. So that's the eyeliner, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes. Okay, so those are the lashes on. I love these because they are so fluffy and pretty. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the base makeup. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get right into the base makeup. So the first thing I'm gonna be using is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I love this stuff to use as a moisturizer, so that's what I'm gonna be using it for. And I like to hydrate my face before I do my makeup, just because I have dry skin and I wanna make sure that it is nice and moisturized. We have a little friend right here and right here that I need to go away. They are getting annoying. And now I'm gonna go in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, which is my favorite. I always use this all the time because I swear by this stuff. It keeps your makeup on all day and it adheres to my foundation, so it is just such a good primer. It is so moisturizing and I absolutely love it. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation, and I'm in the shade 440C. And yeah, I love this. This is more of a dewier foundation, so it's going to make us look very luminous and glowy, which I love, especially for the wintertime and fall. It is cooling down, so I do like for my skin to look a little bit more hydrated and not as dry. And then I'm just gonna blend that out. And this foundation has some really good coverage. I actually did a review on this on my channel, so if you're interested in this foundation, definitely look up that review. because it is so good. So my favorite combo I've been trying out recently has been the Anastasia foundation with the Colourpop concealer. This combination is so good, especially if you're someone who needs more of a hydrating routine. I highly recommend this. The outcome is so flawless and it looks so good together. I love this. So I'm going to be applying the Colourpop concealer, and this is in the shade 145W, which I think is my perfect shade. And I'm just gonna be blending that out. I'm gonna blend out my chin and my nose. Next, I'm going to be taking the Anastasia loose setting powder, and this is in the shade Banana, and I'm going to set underneath my eyes. So I like to pick up some of the powder and then I go on the back of my hand and just tap off some of the excess, and then I like to go right in and set that concealer. Like I said, this is a good tip so you don't add as much powder. You just get off that extra powder that's not needed to go on your. Also set my smile lines, which is right down here. Set my chin. So now I'm gonna go in with my all-time favorite bronzer, which is the Coco Naughty Bronzer by Fenty Beauty, and I'm gonna take that on a Morphe x Jaclyn Hill JH02 brush, which is also my favorite bronzing brush. And we're just going to add that color back into our face and warm it up. Especially with it being around the colder months, we want to look more bronze. We are losing our color, our summer tans are disappearing. So we want to make sure we go in and get to looking bronze. Okay, so my camera cut off again. I kind of took a short break, but I'm back. So I finished up my bronzer and now I'm gonna contour. So I'm gonna use my old tried and true Anastasia Beverly Hills contouring kits, and I'm going to be contouring my cheeks, and I do it underneath my chin as well. I'm gonna go back in with my Jackiana palette, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Big Wig, which is this really nice purple shade, and I'm just gonna smoke that out on the lower lash line, and I'm gonna use Ginger and Edges to help blow out that purple underneath there. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Zam, and I'm gonna use that as our inner corner highlight. Yes, inner corner highlight come through. Like, that is just the perfect amount of shine to the look. I just love how gorgeous it looks overall. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my Juvia's Place blush, and this is in the shade Bella, and I'm just gonna apply that on the apples of my cheek and work it back. And this is such a pigmented blush, so you want to definitely use a light hand and blend it out, because if you add too much, girl, you're gonna be looking like a clown. So okay, so now I gotta use this new product I'm so excited about. So this is the Soul Body New Shimmering Body Powder, and this actually can be used on your body or your face. So it is a highlighter. This is the shade Warm Gold, and this is so pretty. I am obsessed. Oh my gosh, this is so, what more can I say? Okay, this junk is blinding. Like, I think I applied too much. I think I applied too much. I'm gonna put some over here, some on my nose, and on my cupid's bow. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my KKW Beauty Nude 3 Lip Liner, which has been my go-to lately since I got it. I am obsessed. Love the formula of this, love the color. It is so bomb. And now y'all are about to see one of my favorite new lip combos. So like I said, I started out with a KKW Nude 3 Lip Liner, and now I'm gonna go in with the Bobbi Brown West Coast Bay first, which I love this formula and I love this color. This is definitely one of my newer favorite nude lipsticks. And then I go in with another Bobbi Brown, and this is the Bobbi Brown Crushed Liquid Lip in the shade East Coast Slay, which is so cute. And I put this in the middle. I'm gonna go ahead and fix my hair back up, and then I'll get back on, let you guys see the overall look with the hair and the makeup, and then I will get to showing you guys the outfit. Okay, so this is the final look, and this is the dress I'm going to wear. I'm not really sure where this is from, but I will have it in the description box below. It is a midi, which I like. So this burgundy dress is just this really nice long sleeve with the ruching around the waist and hip area, and it just comes at the perfect length. And I think this is something that can be worn with booties, it can be worn with boots, with sneakers. This is definitely a piece that can be transitioned into fall and winter. And if it's cold, I would suggest that you just throw a coat over this. If I was gonna wear a coat with this, I would wear this coat right here from Misguided. It is such a nice coat, and this is how you can warm something up if it is cold where you live. You can just throw a coat on top of this and head right out the door. So yeah, this is the final outfit. I love it. I think it is so cute. Okay, so this is the completed hair and makeup, which I am living for. I absolutely love how everything came out. I'm definitely feeling this all matte eyeshadow. I'm so here for it. It is so pretty, so sultry. Like, I am here for the little pop of purple, as well as this new highlighter. Like, yes ma'am, I'm definitely gonna be slapping that on my face all the time. So I'm so happy with how this came out. The hair is so bomb. I cannot stress to you how nice quality this hair is. It is so soft, so smooth. It flat ironed like a dream. I did not have any issues with this hair as well. I did not have any shedding or anything. So I honestly am very impressed with Tinashe's hair. So I definitely will have all the information about that hair as well in the description box, along with all the products and stuff that I used in this tutorial, if you're interested in that as well. Let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite part about getting ready? Do you like doing your hair? Do you like doing your makeup? Or do you like putting an outfit together? Let me know in the comments below so we can chat it up. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up so I know you love these transformation videos, because I really do enjoy filming them, as well as hit that subscribe button so you can join the family and turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video. I love you guys so much. I have so many things in store, so definitely stay tuned, as well as some giveaways coming up. So I cannot wait to do that as well. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.